If you're planning a holiday and using Airbnb, there's a brand new feature in the app that could make your trip way easier or possibly more expensive. Today, I'm showing you how to use Airbnb's new vacation extras. Everything from airport pickups to gear rentals and local experiences. Let's keep it real. I'll also give you the pros and cons so you can decide if it's worth using or not. Let's dive in. So, first things first, make sure your Airbnb app is fully updated to the latest version. This feature is rolling out across regions in 2025, so you'll want the most current version to see the new options. Now, open your Airbnb app, and as you can see here, there is an option for services. So, if we tap on services, Airbnb gives you a list of optional extras. So as you can see here, for my trip to Budapest, we've got photography, chefs, training, prepared meals, which is coming soon, massage, which is coming soon, makeup coming soon, hair coming soon, spa treatments, catering, and nails. These vary depending on your location, the host, and whether local businesses are linked up. So tap on any service to see the full details, cost, availability, and who provides it. So as you can see here, there's photography, a photo shootout in Budapest. And then what we can do is we can add this to the trip. So I can hit reserve and complete the booking like you would a room. Most are paid in advance through Airbnb. Here's the honest bit. It's super convenient, especially for first-time travelers, or if you don't want to research extras separately. The cons are some users say the prices can be higher than booking directly with a local provider, so always double check. And remember, not all hosts or cities offer this yet. It's still being rolled out. And that's how you use Airbnb's new vacation extras feature in 2025.